In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add duration in Smartsheet. Duration columns let you capture how long work should take, hours, days, or weeks, and they power timelines, dependencies, and Gantt charts. Let's build one from scratch so you can see every click. First, open Smartsheet and head to Home. From there, select Start a new project, program, or process. You can explore templates if you want a head start, but to keep things simple, we'll begin with a clean sheet. Choose the option to start from scratch, then pick where you want it saved and select Table as the sheet type. This gives you a straightforward grid to work in. With your new sheet open, add a column for durations. Click the plus sign to insert a column, which opens the column type picker. Smartsheet groups types by category. You'll see sections like recommended, basic, planning and status, date, and people. Open the date section, then choose duration. This is a special type that understands time units and will integrate with project settings. Give your column a clear name, like task duration, so teammates instantly know what belongs there. If helpful, add a brief description that explains how to enter values, for example, that hours and weeks are supported. Click Apply to create the column. Now enter your durations directly in the rows. Smartsheet accepts formats like 4H for 4 hours, 3D for 3 days, or TOW for 2 weeks. If you just type a number, it's treated as days by default. You can also use decimal values such as 1.5D. Keep in mind that working days, working hours, and non-working time in your project settings affect how durations roll up in schedules and Gantt views. A quick tip for consistency: decide on a primary unit before you start and note it in the column description so everyone uses the same convention. If your sheet uses dependencies with start and finish columns, Smartsheet will use this duration field to calculate timelines automatically. And if you prefer, you can reference the duration column in formulas to summarize effort by phase or assignee. That's all there is to it. You created a sheet, added a duration column, named and described it, and started entering time values that Smartsheet understands. Save your sheet, and you're ready to plan with accurate durations that drive your project schedule. If you ever need to adjust a value, just click and retype. Updates flow through to any timelines or summaries. Feel free to widen the column for readability and use consistent abbreviations so reports remain clean and comparable.